Hi everyone, I'm Coach Medai. Today is about acting. I want to share with you about acting tips. Today's theme is about how to make natural smile. Natural smile. When you participate in audition or acting job, if the director asks you to make smile, how do you do it? I think most of the people when audition or when acting job, they're getting nervous. So when they are asked to make smile, their smile will be a little bit stiff and pretending unnatural. It's not like you are in their daily life, right? In their daily life, private time, they are able to express very natural smile naturally. Yeah. But in the audition, or in the work, in the job, it will be very hard to make natural smile. Yeah. So today, I want to share with you about how to make natural smile, even if you are in the audition or in the acting job. Today's conclusion, today's point is these two words, blue word and red word. And the left side is a failure, is a bad state, right? And the right side is a successful state. That means that you can succeed to make natural smile. And the left side is a failure. You cannot make natural smile. Your smile looks a little bit stiff, awkward, and pretending. People are very easy to get into this state when you are asked to make smile in the audition or in the job, at the acting job. Only outside. People are very easy to tend to focus on only focusing on outside and try to move muscle of the face. If the director tell you to do a big smile, you just concentrate on your muscle and move your muscle bigger. But your smile looks very stiff and non-natural. But right side, please watch this right side. Today's point is inside out. If you can do this inside out, your smile will be more natural. Okay? Inside out. What does it mean? Inside out. Please focus on your inside emotion. Please create your emotion, happy emotion. And then you do a smile. If you do this, your smile will be more natural and you will become more easy to express smile. So first of all, you have to prepare inside. You have to prepare your emotion, make your emotion happy. Laughing, smile state. Okay? The first of all, this side. Please don't do only thinking about outside and then moving muscle, like this. Please don't be in a rush. If you are asked to make smile, please prepare your inside, your emotion. And then your natural smile will naturally coming out. Okay, inside out. How to do it? Imagine, please imagine what brings you happiness. Please imagine what makes you feel happy, glad. Imagine, think about this stuff. What makes you happy? Your past experience, your interesting stuff, the food you like, the game you love, the past memory, whatever. Please imagine what brings you happiness. How to imagine? When you think about the happiest memory, please use 5 senses. Do you know what is 5 senses? You can see what you can see. Hearing what you can hear. Smelling, tasting, and touching. These 5 senses. Please feel 5 senses and please remember, think about that situation that makes you happy. Please imagine what makes you happy, your happiest memory with 5 senses, using 5 senses. This is a way to make your emotion first. So if you can prepare your emotion, if you can make your emotion happy by your imagination using 5 senses, you will be naturally feel happy, glad, and then you can be very easy to make smile. Your smile are very easily to become natural smile. Natural. And your smile is real. Because your smile comes from your real emotion. And comfortable. You will feel comfortable. And if the audience watch your natural smile, your audience will also be comfortable. Okay, so the point is inside out, not only outside, not only moving the muscle, no. First of all, you have to prepare your emotion by your imagination. That's it. So today's theme is about how to make natural smile. The point is, please don't only relying on outside stuff. Please change your consciousness into this inside out. Okay? Please don't be in a rush about making smile and moving the muscle. No. Okay? Relax. First of all, please create your circumstances in your emotion. Create your emotion. Make your emotion happy by imagining what brings you happiness with 5 senses. Using 5 senses and feel detail. If you succeed to do this, your smile is like this. Your smile becomes natural, real, and comfortable. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.